Spring is here. We open our windows, let in the fresh air, and give our homes a good cleaning. It feels great to clear out the cobwebs and start fresh. Why not give your finances that same fresh start? Just like a cluttered house, messy finances can cause stress and anxiety. You might feel overwhelmed and unsure where to even begin. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this together, one step at a time. Think of this as a financial spring cleaning. We're going to organize, declutter, and set ourselves up for a brighter financial future. No more hiding from bills or worrying about debt. It's time to take control and feel confident about our money. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's get organized. Just like you wouldn't start cleaning your house without gathering your supplies, we need to gather our financial documents. Start by designating a specific space for your paperwork. This could be a file cabinet, a desk drawer, or even a designated box. The key is to have everything in one place. Now gather all your important documents, bank statements, credit card bills, pay stubs, tax returns, anything related to your finances. Once you have everything in one place, create a simple filing system. You can use folders labeled by category such as banking, bills, investments, and taxes. This will make it easy to find what you need when you need it. Trust me, being organized is a game changer. Now that you're organized, it's time to take the next step toward financial clarity. Let's talk about budgeting, a tool that can transform how you manage your money. I know, the B word can feel intimidating, like a chore or a restriction, but I promise it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it can be empowering. A budget is simply a plan for your money, a roadmap to help you reach your financial goals. It tells your money where to go, so you're not left wondering where it went at the end of the month. Start by tracking your spending for a month. This step is crucial to understanding your financial habits. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or even a budgeting app. Choose the method that feels most comfortable and sustainable for you. The goal is to see exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going out. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you'll be ready to take control. Start creating your budget by focusing on the essentials. Begin by listing your essential expenses: housing, food, transportation, and utilities. These are your non-negotiables. Then, allocate money for your other needs and wants. This is where you can prioritize what matters most to you. Remember, the key to a successful budget is to be realistic and flexible. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should reflect that. Don't be afraid to adjust as needed. A budget isn't set in stone, it's a living document. Life happens, and your budget should be able to roll with the punches. With time and practice, budgeting can become second nature, helping you achieve financial peace of mind. Section 4, Little Leaks, Sink Ships, Identifying and Plugging Financial Drains. Financial stability isn't just about earning more, it's about managing what you already have. Let's dive into how to spot and stop those sneaky financial drains. Now that you have a budget, it's time to get serious about plugging any financial leaks. These leaks are often small, recurring expenses that might seem harmless but can quietly erode your savings over time. You know, those small, often unnoticed expenses that can quietly drain your bank account over time. They might not seem like much individually, but collectively, they can have a significant impact. Think about your daily habits. Are there patterns in your spending that you haven't paid attention to before? Do you grab a coffee every morning on the way to work? That daily coffee run might be costing you more than you realize over the course of a month or a year, or maybe eat lunch out several times a week. Dining out or ordering in can be convenient, but it often comes with a hefty price tag compared to preparing meals at home. Those small purchases might seem insignificant at first, but they can really add up quickly. A few dollars here and there can snowball into hundreds over time. Take a moment to review your tracked spending from the previous step and highlight any areas where you might be overspending. This step is crucial in identifying where your money is going. Maybe you're spending more on entertainment than you realized. Streaming services, movie tickets, or concert outings can add up quickly if not monitored. Or perhaps your grocery bill is higher than you'd like it to be. Impulse purchases or buying premium brands can inflate your expenses without you noticing. Once you've identified your financial leaks, brainstorm ways to plug them. This might involve making small lifestyle changes or finding creative alternatives to your current habits. Could you make coffee at home instead of buying it every day? Brewing your own coffee can save you hundreds of dollars annually. Or maybe pack your lunch a few times a week. Homemade meals are not only cost-effective but often healthier too. Even small changes like these can make a big difference over time. It's about being mindful of your spending and making intentional choices. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. By addressing these leaks, you're not just saving money, you're building a stronger financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 5. Investing in your future. Reviewing and optimizing your portfolio. This is where we take a closer look at how to make your money work harder for you. Now let's talk about investing. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about growing it strategically over time. It's honestly one of the most powerful tools we have for building wealth and securing our financial future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education, investing can help you achieve those goals. But hey, I get it. It can feel a little overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. The jargon, the charts, the endless options, it's a lot to take in. The good news is you don't need to be a financial expert to invest wisely. With the right tools and resources, anyone can start building a solid portfolio. Start by reviewing your current investment portfolio. Take stock of what you already have, your assets, your accounts, and your contributions. Do you have a 401k through work? If so, are you maximizing your employer match? That's essentially free money you don't want to leave on the table. Are you contributing to an IRA? These accounts can offer significant tax advantages, which can make a big difference over time. Once you have a clear picture of your current investments, take some time to educate yourself about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, each has its own risks and rewards. You can find a wealth of information online, in books, or even by speaking with a financial advisor. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek guidance. The key is to invest in a way that aligns with your risk tolerance and your financial goals. Are you comfortable with higher risk for potentially higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and patience, not quick wins. Be patient, stay the course, and watch your money grow over time. With dedication and smart decisions, your financial future can be brighter than you ever imagined. Section 6. Ready for anything, building a solid emergency fund. Life is full of surprises and, well, not all of them are good. That's why having a solid emergency fund is so important. An emergency fund is basically your safety net. It helps you cover unexpected expenses without going into debt. The goal is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in a separate account, specifically for emergencies. Now, I know that might sound like a lot of money, but don't worry, you don't have to save it all at once. Start by setting a realistic savings goal, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month. You can always increase your savings gradually over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, saving becomes effortless, and you'll see consistent progress towards your goal. Section 7. Financial freedom. Taking control and enjoying the rewards. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of your financial spring cleaning. You've organized your finances, created a budget, plugged financial leaks, reviewed your investments, and started building your emergency fund. That's honestly a lot to be proud of. Remember, financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having control over your money and really, your life. It's about making choices that align with your values and your goals. Now that you've laid the foundation for a solid financial future, it's time to enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Go ahead, book that vacation, splurge on something you've been wanting, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your finances. You've earned it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching!